wiki magia Safina Party Mheshimiwa Jimmy Wanjigi na niga rokandre komocha hemirobirio yo yumuraibu ensekwane kya Koraikerania hamagendro bunenseri ya Singapore asa mochiri uraibu serikali ya Kenya Kwanza sogotaikerania CHIIRA chiri ya yeretaba Kenya kero yare gosoa bisu mwaka bwechirubere 20 na ibere ichitaraikirana goikira boniga asate abire nigo umuraibu ense William Ruto abwente kobeka hemirobirio yo Koraikerania CHIIRA cha Chonsi hatarabeka hamarorande ayara chekwane kya mubekira hegurube umwana inchi asokure bango.
I want to ask my president, because he's our president, and he did a very good job. Let's give him a clap. He contributed a lot of money for this cathedral. He has started an agenda which is very good. He has brought what is called agenda politics. Agenda politics. Yani, the politics of the issues of each and every one of us. Na anasema in the future tutaona first world, si ndio? And those are good dreams. In the future tutaona Singapore, very good dreams. The other day alisema kuna wengine hata barabara zao kwa kwenda nyumbani, angalia kwa internet 1 2 3 4 5. Today, when I was coming here, when I was Googling all these numbers, Nika Google the promises, and Deputy Governor, you know you are part of that government. Nika Google the promises ya Kenya Kwanza government in 2022. There are 259. Now, if you Google, you'll find a site called Mzalendo Tracker. 259. Of those promises, only 19 have been done. Wanasema that is an equivalent of 7%. Mmeshika hiyo? Now governor, deputy governor, kwa sababu wewe hiyo ni serikali yenu. You have 598 days left to the general election of 2027. Before you start telling us mambo ya Singapore na sijui first world, simuanushe hii kitu from 7% even to 20%, then you start telling us about another future.